Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I shampoo, condition, and detangle my hair. I first like to part my hair into a few sections and I go in to make sure I don't have any flakes, like dandruff flakes or whatever. After I do that all over my hair. I go in with this oil. You can use any oil, but this is the one that I like to use. And I'll apply that all over my scalp just to stimulate hair growth. That's the reason why I do this. And for my dandruff, it does two things. It helps my dandruff and it helps my hair grow faster. And if your scalp is healthy, then your hair is going to grow faster. Once that's done, I then go in with this little massager thingy. I used to just use my hands, but I bought this new thing and it works better than my hands, girl. It feels so good. And I'll massage in circular motions and then I'll massage like if I'm putting my hair into a ponytail. Once I'm done with that, I take some conditioner. Today I'm going to be using a moisturizing conditioner just because I felt like my hair had too much protein in it, and that's also why I'm doing a clarifying wash today, because I needed to rebalance my hair. So, because it was like dry and frizzy and none of my products were working as they normally would, so that's when it's good to go in with a clarifying shampoo. But anyways, I'm putting the conditioner on to protect my hair before I shampoo it so it doesn't get too tangled up and dry when I go to shampoo my hair. And I'm going to first rinse out the conditioner and the oil that I just applied. Then I'll be doing the clarifying shampoo. I'm going to be using the Bumble one, and I'll be using it 2 times, and then I'll go in with the Giovanni volumizing shampoo. So I shampooed 3 times, and I did this because I want to make sure I took all of the products out of my hair. You don't have to do this as many times, but it's been a while and I think my hair needed this desperately. In the past, I only used to put shampoo on my scalp, but I noticed that my hair type needs shampoo all over. Like, if I just do it on my scalp, then the rest of my hair will be kind of like flat-ish or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys listen and have a little ASMR moment, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So to detangle my hair, I'm going to be using the Giovanni Smooth as Silk conditioner, and I'm going to be applying 3 pumps. The first 2 pumps I'm going to apply to the mid to ends of my hair, and then the last pump I'm going to put all over my hair. And obviously I'm doing that, it's because the ends of my hair are the most damaged, so it needs more care, so I add more product to it instead of my scalp because it's new and it doesn't need that much care. I will be detangling my hair with my new favorite comb. It is the best thing I have bought in my curly hair history. Okay, like it detangles my hair in 2 seconds. You're gonna see right now in real time how fast it takes to detangle my hair with this comb. I used to use a wide tooth comb and I used to part my hair into 2 sections, but with this comb, I don't have to do that. I don't know, and I feel like I get a lot less breakage and a lot less shedding with this comb. And I'm going to show you guys at the end how much hair I shed when I'm done. I'm going to let you guys listen and have another ASMR moment. Again, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to deep condition my hair with the Crece Pelo. I like to do this once a week and I leave it in my hair for 15 minutes. I like to use a heated cap with it. It's one of those caps that you put in the microwave and then you put on your head and it stays warm throughout that whole time. And it just makes the deep conditioner penetrate and give you all the benefits and all that yummy stuff. Okay, so I rinsed my hair off with cool water, not cold because it's still cold right now. And then I styled my hair like I normally would, which I'll be doing a separate video for that. I'll also be doing a video on this diffuser as well. But I also just wanted to tell you guys that this will probably be the last year that I stay on YouTube. If I don't reach the goal that I want to, I think I'm gonna quit YouTube. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and for the continued support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.